The RF-4 stereo trinocular microscope is a versatile and high-performance tool designed for precision tasks across various industries. Featuring a 360 degrees rotation articulating arm stand, it provides flexibility for different viewing angles, making it ideal for professionals in electronics repair, scientific research, and industrial inspection. With its large-field 4K HDMI camera, users can capture ultra-clear images and videos, ensuring accurate analysis and documentation. Equipped with the RF-4KC1 HDMI USB 1080p 60fps 4K camera, this microscope delivers outstanding image quality. Its sensor resolution of 3840 by 2160 at 30 frames per second provides crisp visuals, while the HDMI interface ensures seamless connectivity with compatible monitors. Users can easily switch between 1080p and 4K resolutions by holding the designated button for 10 seconds. The microscope supports C/CS interface lenses, allowing for interchangeable optics to suit various applications. This microscope is widely used in multiple fields. In biology and zoology, it aids in specimen examination, while in the textile industry, it assists in fabric quality inspection. The electronics sector benefits from its precision in soldering and circuit board repair. Additionally, it is utilized in archaeology, geology, and even fine arts, assisting in the restoration and analysis of cultural artifacts. Installation and operation are straightforward. The microscope connects to a computer via USB for use as a UVC camera, while an HDMI cable links it to a monitor for real-time viewing. The power adapter ensures stable operation, and a TF card can be inserted for storing captured images and videos. If any issues arise, troubleshooting steps include checking power connections and ensuring the display settings are correctly configured. The RF4 stereo trinocular microscope is an essential tool for professionals requiring high magnification, precision, and ease of use. Whether for research, manufacturing, or repair work, its advanced features and robust design make it a reliable investment for detailed and accurate inspections.